Hello my viewers, this is Ruby and today we are here at the park. We're gonna go for a morning jog. After work we have to go and work on the cardio, and this is the park that we're gonna be doing our cardio on. We're gonna be running around this area, and it's within the city. Look at that sculpture there. It's a nice artwork. I don't know who did it, but he did a good job, as you can see. Yes, so it's a nice building behind there that was just recently built. They're still working on it. It's not yet done. So that's the building that is currently very new and looks very nice here. So I don't know what this sculpture means, but those who does art can understand that, and they can interpret that and put it into some understanding or some meaningful stuff. For me, it's just a sculpture there, but I don't know what it means. So let's go and go for a jog. This is your friend Ruby. When I came here, yes, that's it for today. Yeah, that's the park where we are this morning. And we're gonna be going this way, and then we run all the way inside the forest and back. So that's how it is here. And everybody doing their own thing. Busy. Busy.
Sorry.
It's okay. You wanna cut my way? It's enjoying. It's nice weather. Yeah. Okay, that's where we were previously, and that's the park. Today we are going to go to the park and watch how things are going on in the park, and also to interact with the nature. It's very important to interact with the nature and also to get some fresh air and see what's going on. So here we go. I'm at this park here. I'm gonna take you around and show you how this park is and how nice it is at this moment. This is 8 o'clock in the morning, and here we go. And before we go too far, I want to show you something here that has been of very big interest to me, and that is a plant here that is very interesting. This plant, it's amazing. It just starts itself on another plant and it becomes part of it. This is called a dodder plant. A dodder plant is a plant that cannot grow on its own, but can only survive on other plants. So it piggybacks on other plants, and then it makes their life miserable by absorbing everything that they have in them to make sure that they own it, and they survive and thrive so good on them. So here is the plant I'm talking about here. You see this one here? This plant here is a foreigner plant. You see, this is the main, this is the major plant, this one here. And then it ended up that this one, let me just show you here. It plugged itself here. You see here, it plugged its roots here, and that's where it's absorbing the nutrients from this plant here. So this is not the mother plant. This is the mother plant, but this is the daughter plant. These are different species from this one. So that's what we have here in the park. So there's a lot of interaction, just like in the nature. Sometimes you have to support, and this is how the symbiosis. The symbiosis is the union between two things together, or two plants together. So they are symbiosizing here together to make sure that life goes on amicably. The main plant doesn't want it, but it has no way to reject it, because that's how it survives. It cannot survive on the ground alone. It has to mount itself on another plant and chop it. That's how. That's one of the things that are interested in this park. I wanted to show you shortly. So let's go on and see more of what's going on in the park here. So we're gonna go to the park and see how the nature interacts. Hi. Yes, so this is where we are going. There's so many people here in this park. It's early in the morning at 8. And everybody's here already for the jog and also for the fresh air, and maybe family meeting, friends meeting, and so on and so on. We have a nice restaurant here, small place. It's a small restaurant where you can come and sit here and enjoy your morning. And that's how it is here. This is a nice street here, all the way to the other side. You can jog, you can run, and you can go east or west. There's always available places to run to. So here is a map of this area. Can you see? You can run on that blue circle and come back, and then you do your thing, or you can go here for a picnic. It's a nice place. I like this park, especially in the morning, and also even in winter it is accessible. This is where you can chill and relax. Those are the bathrooms on the sides there, so you don't have to worry about anything. That's the swings where you can go and enjoy swinging, and they are melodious swings. Those are very nice swinging that you sit there and you swing. It makes some nice sounds, and you can make, if you are in a group, you can all swing and run and enjoy and make some sounds of music the way you like it. Here is another place that I would want to show you. This looks like a place where the movies were acted, like those smooth, nice baby or children's shows. I don't know the name. I've forgotten. It's been a while since my son was a young boy and could swing. So this is how it looks up here. These are the small hills with smooth shaped grass. That's how it is. You can proceed. See people moving around and enjoying their morning ride, their morning walk. That's how it is. Keep going as we watch this area. There's another place to sit and relax. Hi. Yeah, you can sit here. Look, nice. You can come over here and make some conference or small meeting with friends and chill here. You have tables here. You can relax and and enjoy, just like Ruby is doing it right here. As you watch, you can chill here nicely, and just like that, and enjoy. Is that not something good that you can enjoy in this environment? And I want to show you how smooth this field is. And look at that. It's so nice, so smooth. You can lay down, roll, run, and chill here, or play ball here with the family. See family making picnic at the end there, and they're playing and enjoying with the young children. They like this so much. Yeah, so that's how it is, and maybe I can show you from that angle. You can see a Ruby going to chill here. Just chill here. Relax. That's how it is. It's a nice place for anybody and everybody. So that's number one, chilling place. And then we proceed, and I'll show you more nice places to relax. Look at that, people enjoying on the other side, and look at the carpet grass, smooth and lovely. And lay down here, roll, and you're not scared of any creepy crawler coming to poke their nose on your piece. Yeah, so these are other places you can chill, you can relax here. Yeah. See, like we're gonna do it with you here. Yeah, you can chill here, just relax here with your stuff, chill like that, and enjoy the sun, enjoy the morning sun. That's how it is in this area. So this area is a quiet, nice area. You can come here in the morning, you can come with the bike and ride. You see there are bike places there. It's nice long park within the city, and you see how it goes all round. So this is another circle that you can, if you don't want to go too far, you can ride, you can run around this circle here, and then come back here, and all the way. That's it. So there are a lot of amusement places in this park, so we can move around and watch as we go. So you see that one over there, that's a monument there, is just for show, for watching. These are nice sculptures. These are museum area. So this park is related to the museum of Raleigh, and that is what's going on here. We have also sculptures there. There were 4, nice looking, but currently I can only see 2. Most likely the other 2 gave up, and they are no more here anymore. And the most interesting thing here, one time I shared with you this, is that whenever any angle you're standing, they will always look at you. See this one here looking at, this one is looking at you from another angle. Look, they keep going, keep looking at you from any angle. unless you go on the back. You see, they look like they're spying you. So that's an interesting sculpture. I don't know who did that, but he also must have been a good artist who knew what he was doing. Look at that building there. This is a park within the city, and it's very convenient for families and people living around here. So that's part of it, and that's the museum. And look at some artist did this. This guy made a sculpture, a drawing of this bird hanging on a tree with the claws. Wow, and look at that. This is beautiful. It's a nice artwork. Yeah, so that is what we have here. So we're gonna be walking this trail as we go on. Welcome to Raleigh, and enjoy. Those are the sculptures along the park here, and look at how smooth the grass is cut. The lawn is clean and nice. Can come and act a movie here, like a movie for those fighting soldiers, like those troubadours and the barbarians fighting. So these are nice places for movie filming and everything else. Okay, let's keep going to enjoy this park. How are you doing? Good. Those are nice parks here. There's another big sculpture here of somebody laying down. I hope he has some clothes on. If not, then we won't go in front because you can only see the back. So that's a sculpture of somebody laying down, which I'll show you only the back. I won't go in the front. They say do not climb because it's withering. It's been here for a while, laying here. They've been laying here for a long time until the weathering is happening here, but it's okay. As I promised, I won't take you to the back. I'll just show you the front. I mean the back. I'll show you the back. I won't show you the front. And they're all looking good. Maybe I can show you here. This looks like some sculptures or things that were made for the movie, where the aeroplanes were passing through these arches and going on the other side and coiling and coming back and swinging and going through it. Yeah, this looks like something like this, but maybe yes, maybe not. To me, I think there's been a movie that has been acted here in this park. If not, I could be right, I could be wrong. Anyway, in this environment, there's no right or wrong. What it says, the time is always now. So that's the sculpture I was talking about behind me there. Otherwise, let's keep jogging. You are going to have a good morning run. See that forest there? Nice. No worries on it, but be careful. Keep an eye on it for me. If you see a bear or a coyote running, or a snake, a creepy crawler, let me know. Otherwise, let's go. Jog. This is how you get your morning cardio work. Circle that we're gonna be running through. Gonna go through that loop and come back. Where we were was good. It was clean and nice and beautiful. Shaved grass, nice sculptures. But now where I'm going down the hill is a steep hill. This is a free zone for everything. Creepy crawlers, strong anything is possible here. Even a bear is possible. One time in the neighborhood here, in the hospital near us here, near this area, a black bear was spotted. It was actually on top of the tree. So this is what happened. Some guys were going for a smoke in the early morning at around 4 o'clock. Yeah. So before I enter here, before I finish my story, let me show you this forested area. This is dark forest, and it's gonna be thicker and thicker as we go into it. So keep an eye for me. You see a grizzly bear or a coyote or even a squirrel, let me know, because some squirrels are infected with rabies, and they can launch on you an attack, and you never miss their claws or their bites. Keep biting. I saw somebody was being bitten by a squirrel, jumping on the back and back in the front, and everywhere, jumping, running, and it was biting everywhere it lands. It was biting. So it's possible. So these things, man, you have to be careful when you're going in the nature. Be careful. Sometimes you have to carry even a pepper spray or something. You have to be armed. Yeah. So me, I'm armed here with this, and I trust it. It has never let me down. So bring your nose bear. We're gonna meet and enjoy. So this is the forested area and the dark area that I was talking about as we go into it. So let's keep jogging. Little Ruby work on the cardio as we go downhill. We came all the way up there, very steep, and we keep going as we go on. This is the road. It goes that way, and we're gonna go this way. All the way. Hi, how are you doing? Good. Okay. Yeah, so this is the forested area that we're gonna be walking through. So here is tricky. You see, here is tricky. One time I was jogging here, and then on the road here I saw a big black snake. I was told not to call a snake with its name at night. Okay, these are the rules of the jungle. You don't call a snake by its name at night. You don't pick a stick on the road at night in the darkness. If you see a stick, move away from it. It might not be a stick, it might be a live stick. So you don't call its name. If you're in the jungle, you don't call the name of a snake, of a bear. Oh God, I just said it. And they can be up somewhere there, or they can be hiding there. Yeah, see? So these are the very thick forest with the little light penetrating, and you can see. So I'm avoiding any stick or anything that I would see walking. And look at those creepy looks. You see, very thick. The sun hardly penetrates into this thick forest. You see? So I was talking about a bear. One time, those people who are going for a jog in the morning, they saw a bear. This is the middle of the city, a big city, Raleigh, Raleigh, North Carolina, a big city. So they saw a bear, big, not bigger than a dog, and then they paused like, no, this is not true, doesn't look like true. Yeah. So they paused, and as they were looking at it, it ran It just ran up the tree, up the tree all the way, shop, and then it was hiding there. Let me tell you, they called security, they called police, they called wildlife. They came and watched. That guy was up there in the tree, stayed there from morning to sunset. From 4 o'clock in the morning, that bear was just on the tree, gripped the tree there and relaxed and did like nothing was happening, looking down, camouflage, hiding, but we could still see it. He thought it was hiding, but we could still see it from down. So the security told us not to make noise, so we just let it stay there. The wildlife came and they could not tranquilize it to bring it down, because it would land and delete. So what they did, they just kept waiting until 5 o'clock in the morning, when they called a chain of as a restaurant here. They sell mostly donuts called Dunkin' Donuts. So they brought some kind of donut which was sugary and smelly, and smells good for the bear. So the bear had the smell and it came down. It came down and ate. That was around 6 o'clock in the evening. It came down, ate all that was left for him under the tree. And you know what? It ate it all, and then it ran across the road, disappeared. The motorists were wondering, like, what a thing running around here in the night, daytime, and that was a bear running. It went into the forest and has never been seen until today. So it could be somewhere here. It could be somewhere here, we don't know, but we just have to be careful, because they coexist with us, especially in the city here, because once in a while they are seen flipping off the trash cans. Hi, how are you doing? Morning. Yeah, so those are things that you need to be careful of. I'm still here. Yeah. Keep going. Have to work hard on the cardio. Yeah. Don't let it fool you that you're safe without working. Yes, so this is how we do it. Help me climb it. Down that way. So let me take a break here and do some exercise before we proceed. That's how we do it. Up in the hills here. Yeah. Yeah, so that's how it's done here. Have to do your strength, cardio, and everything. So this is a bridge, not a bridge, a flyover over the motorway, and this is how it looks. This is covered for people who might have bad intentions of climbing here and going the other side, dropping. So it's covered in a way that you can't go all the way. See, people are jogging. So this is part of the highway. See, they're coming fully booked with speed. Wow. Gone. Yeah. Gone. Hi, come on. See, they're gone on the other side. Bam! Wow. Good, gone. There's a nice speedway. That's the area around here, and this is how it looks. This is a big highway, and this is how it looks from that angle. So let's keep going as we enjoy this morning run. Yes. People are doing their thing as we do our thing. This is a nice, clean highway. You see? Look at them. Nice. We're jogging, doing their thing as we flow. So let me show you how these cars are cruising here. See, that is what I'm talking about. It's a highway. The shooting speed. It's a nice shooting speed. Cruising like fire jets or a bullet. Shot, gun. Shot, gun. I'll show you where they're coming from. See how they're shooting. Look at that. Bang! Oh. I wish I wouldn't be there, down there. I would be like a mincemeat. If they run over you or anything, you become like a mincemeat. Yeah, see the speed. I want to show you this group coming, and then we can move. See that? Woo. Woo. They're waving at me, saying, here we are cruising. So somebody locked his lab here. You can bring a lock and you lock your lab here. And you throw the key away. You lock your lab there and you throw the key away. So the lab cannot be broken until the key is found. So that's some theories that we hear, but this is how this place looks. Woo! Look at them gone. But this is the side that they're flowing. That side is coming, this side is going. And look how they are putting the pedal down. Chop, gone. Yeah. And that side they come from. And this is the exit they are preparing to enter. Preparing to enter the high-speed area. Look at that one. Shooting it. Whew. Nice roads. This is the one thing I like with America, that you see where the tax money goes. It goes here for you to drive smoothly and safely. There we go. Bye. Yes, that's how it is. That's how it is. I can see that the tax I pay makes me drive on a smooth road. Yes, and that's how it should be. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. And they are entering this zone. And people are doing their things here, jogging and going their way. Hello, everybody. Hi. Yes. Yes. And do you have a bike? You can come here and then you do your repair here. See, this is a repair kit for the bikers. Spanner, alarm key, everything you want. Then you can put the air here in your tires. Make sure that you have nice tires. So this is a place for fixing the bike in case you have a problem with your tires. I just demonstrate to you how it works. Take it here. You can take a wrench, quick. Maybe then take the small ones, even these ones for opening the tires. If you want to do the puncture, this one is a alarm key for opening anything. Screw, flat, screw, bang. That's how it is over here. And then you can, if you have a puncture, you can fill the puncture after fixing it. You can pump it. This is for public, for everybody. Just pump. Yeah, that's how it's done here. So you see, they cater also for the pedestrians, the public, and everybody to use it. You don't have to, when you're riding in this park, you don't have to carry the wheel spanner and everything around. No, you just ride your bike and you go to these stations and they fix it if you have a problem. So let's keep going. Somebody locked his love here too. Yeah, there's so many loves that were locked here that they should never be lost. See, another one. You come with a sweetheart and you lock your love here. Bang, bang, and then you do like you lost the key. You throw it away. That way the love will stay. So many lovers lock their loves here. And I mean, in the next 10 years maybe there will be no space left. Could be just locks all over. So this is terrible that you lock your love here and you don't open it, so it might be stuck in there even if things are not working out. So you have to be careful with what you lock. Look at that nice picture. some artists make their pictures when they become the winners, then their pictures or their drawings are posted in the nature like this. Nobody bothers them. The story of this small stream is a seasonal stream waiting for the next water to overflood. Okay, that's another award-winning artwork that won award and was posted here. Now it's like somebody sleeping and dreaming of something creepy crawling on him with giant hands. Man, that's terrible. That's a bad dream. I don't want to think of that dream. We don't want to shortchange our cardio, so let's go. Yep. We don't shortchange our cardio. We are already tuned to going around the circle, so that circle has to be complete. So let's go. I'm not taking any shortcut. Interesting. So Ruby, let's get on the move. On the move. But before we go too far, look at that. This is a small garden here where we have this is serious. We have a family of different plants. This is oregano. Rosemary up there. I see at the corner there is rosemary. And when you cut the rosemary with a lawnmower, oh, smells so good. Yeah, so that's it. Be a piary or be a piary, I don't know, whichever. And this one is the bees. They are kept here. They are flying. If you don't interfere with them, they don't bother you. Try your worst and you get your ass or you get your butt beaten properly here. This is the area you don't mess. You can walk tiptoe here. I don't want to go beyond this. Sorry if you didn't see it, up to you, but I've done my part. This is the farthest I can go. And look at that. They are so nicely living here, and they harvest them when their time is right, when they are ready. They know, the specialist knows when the time is ready, and they come and harvest them. So that is called active bee apiary. Nice weather. Yeah. Before it gets hot, yeah? So people are enjoying. People are enjoying the day. So here we have this this equipment here. This artwork, real artwork. If you think you're an artist, come and learn here. Everything is moving in a different direction. They are all moving because of the wind, but they are all moving in different directions. Look at the mother board is moving side to side slowly, and its component inside it, each of them is doing its thing when there's a strong wind. Currently maybe the wind is not very strong, just moving a little bit slowly, but when the wind is going one direction and it's moving, and the big red is not moving, it's facing the wind, I'm telling you, everything is waka waka here. Everything is kuchi kuchi, waka waka, wulu wulu, and they make different sounds, which is very interesting. So that's all I wanted to show you about this place. Somebody, your date, and chill under the tree there when the weather is good, and you relax. That big, that's a big chima. You can come here and do your exercise. How are you doing? Yeah, sit here and have a picnic, dinner, or breakfast, and chill here and relax and just let life move on. So this is how it is. You just come and sit here. Ruby will show you. Just chill here and relax and enjoy the weather. Cool in the shades. Who can beat this? Not even me. And then just relax here. And you can see, watch birds too. Look at that bird there. That's dove. He's hiding there. That's his hiding place. You can see. Going in there and relaxing. And you can also watch things going up in the air. Protection all over. You're secure. No problem. So that dove is making nests. See? Making sure that the nest is made. Come out, dove. Yeah. So this used to be very big chimney. When you stand under it here, then that's when you see how tall it is. See? It goes all the way up. Whew. And it looks like it's gonna fall on me. Let me get out of here. Yeah, it's a bad feeling. Yeah, so there's another dove up there. That's the male, and protecting the female, making sure that it turns your attention up there and not here. See her? She's coming out to check who is that talking in my backyard. It's me. Just passing in the neighborhood. Okay, I see. You don't want me around here. You're scaring me. I know you are not a bad dog. You're a good dog, but I don't need to encroach your territory. Yes, so that's the area where we have this. This one was an industry, but now it's changed to be amusement park. So let's go to the swing down there and see how they work. The swing and to make some songs, music. musical, but I don't know what happened. We had a lot of nice music. Oh, they don't sing anymore? They used to make some sounds. They stopped them?
Yeah, they're not working today. I don't know why.
Oh, wow. Yeah, they normally make very nice combination of songs. Huh?
Yeah, no, totally.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's not going on.
Oh. Oh, maybe they switch it off. It's too hot, maybe. Get hotter and they switch. Yeah. Next time.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Yeah. So this the swings that makes melodious sounds. Rotate makes songs. See, like when you move it like that, it should be singing, making some nice melody. But today, like we say, things are different. So let's keep going. And we did the round, and we are back to almost back to where we started. Yes, so keep going. Hi. Yeah. See people enjoying. Yeah. Morning walk is windy, nice shape. I showed you that area already. So you're gonna go uphill here. Hoop, 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 hoop. Done. Did it. Yes. It's a bonus that I'm giving you. Look at that. And you're here. Look at the scenery. Yes. Back to where we started. Back to where we started. And I want to go without showing you this nice slope here. And it goes all the way up there. Maybe I can show you that artwork too. Go through the forest, go through the here, and as you go, you watch and you enjoy. Look at that. Soft, smooth, nice, and spongy. Oh, I don't know why my lawn doesn't do this. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but whatever they did here works. It works perfectly. See? That's the park I'm talking about. The city park I'm talking about. Yeah. See here? It's a nice sculpture. Look at that. It's very tricky when you go in here. There are glasses, there are the mirrors that keep magnifying and showing as if you're going in a circle, but they're just like showing everything everywhere. I don't know how they did it. This is how it is. You run around and you can go in a circle. It starts from outer circle and you move on inwards. So as you move, it reflects on you. It sees you from all the angles. Very, very interesting mirror thing. Yeah, so I like it. And over here We have a group of people doing their things in the back there in the trees, and it's like a family or a cultural thing over there. Yeah, and the back to the park here, and this is how it looks, and this is where we started, and this is where it's ending. So this is Arubi. Thank you so much for watching, for going with me to this morning run. So that's the end of my video, and next time I might bring you another run in the park, a nice relaxing park like this. So see you next time, the next video. Bye. This is your Arubi.